An eyelash extension's secret lies in its maintenance. The following are simple aftercare tips from Ash Santiago, a popular eyelash extensions provider in New Jersey. To increase the longevity of your extensions and avoid infections, you must brush your lashes twice a day, thoroughly clean your extensions, and fully dry wet lashes. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. You can find out more by clicking the link in the description. Subscribe to get the latest updates.